Assalamu alaikum everyone. As you know that today is 25th of December, Quaid Day. So I am here to share some important information about Quaid-e-Azam. This day is celebrated annually on December 25th. It commemorates the birthday of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was a notable politician, founder of Pakistan and Pakistan's first Governor General. The day may be known as the birthday of Quaid-e-Azam, that means a great leader. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born on December 25, 1876 in Karachi, which was still the part of British-controlled India at that time. After studying in Bombay and London, Jinnah became a lawyer in Bombay, and in 1913 he joined the Muslim League, which had been formed to stand up for the rights of Indian Muslims, and he became its president in 1916. Jinnah believed that Muslim-Hindu unity in India was possible, but over the years the relationship between the Hindu and Muslim communities had deteriorated to such a point that he reluctantly accepted that the best way to protect the rights of Indian Muslims was through partition. In 1940, he first suggested the idea of the partition of India to create Pakistan and led negotiations with the British government. This resulted in the partition of India and the creation of the state of Pakistan on August 14, 1947. Do you know that Jinnah is depicted on all Pakistani rupee currency? Jinnah became the first Governor General but died of tuberculosis on September 11, 1948. On Pakistan Day, wreaths are laid at the mausoleum in Karachi to commemorate his role in the founding of Pakistan. Special programs about Jinnah will be broadcasted on TV and radio stations today. Thank you all. That's all from my side. Now, I want you to please make your videos and portraits about Quaid-e-Azam and send to your teachers to share in WhatsApp groups.